What is your name?
I am Ravi.
Do you study?
Yes, uncle.
In which class?
12th.
Are you a student of science or arts?
Science.
Which is your favorite subject, Ravi?
Physics.
What do you want to be in life?
I want to be an electronics engineer.
What does your father do?
He is a chemist.
And your mother?
She is a teacher.
Do you play any games?
Yes, I play hockey and cricket.
Which is your favorite game?
Cricket.
And who is your favorite player?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading mysteries and adventure books. Also read the newspaper regularly.
That's very good. Do you like watching TV?
Oh yes, I love it.
Which are your favorite channels?
See, Metro and Citycable. I also like Prime Sports.
What else do you do in your spare time?
I play computer games.
Do you learn computers at school?
Yes, it's a part of our syllabus.
Okay, Ravi, it was great talking to you. I wish you all the best in life.
Thank you, uncle. Bye.